Welcome back. It is time for the Oh Wow Moment, brought to you by the Gloria and Roger Jones Children's Center for Science and Technology. And of course with me is the one and only Mr. Ralph. Good morning, Mr. Ralph.
Good morning, Miss Madonna. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you with your handsome self?
I'm doing fantastic. I don't know about the handsome part, but I'm doing okay.
I do.
I'm doing okay. Now, Panerathon today, so we're going to be down at the Panerathon, so everybody come see us at the Panerathon. We're going to have some things going on.
I will be there. I'm going to be walking.
Yeah, I can't get to walk.
You have to work.
I'll eat some pizza and eat for everyone and drink coffee.
Well, I'm going to be on Team Peacock, and we're going to be there with bells on.
I'll be rooting you on.
All right.
I'll hold up a big sign.
All right.
All
what
right.
are we doing today, my friend?
So, Wonders of Water is going on in InspireWorks. We're kind of wrapping up the month here, and I know intern Doug did a couple of things with surface tension. So, I'm going to kind of piggyback that. I'm going to talk about two things. I'm going to talk about surface tension again. We're going to do a little trick, and then I'm going to talk about surface tension and refraction of light. Okay, so refraction of light is literally these lights are putting out, you know, they're showing us light right now. So refraction happens at the interface. That's where the light meets a translucent area towards another translucent area. So translucent meaning like sort of see-through. So water's see-through.
Yes, it is.
So that light, when it hits the interface, the moment it passes through the air to the water, that point is called the interface. Okay? And then that's when refraction happens, and it's called the bending of light. So we're going to try this real quick. I don't know how this is going to work.
Okay.
All right, so I have this glass jar. It's empty, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to set this up right here. We're going to see if the camera can pick that up. Okay. Now, everybody at home is probably going to see this. Now, I'm going to try this.
All right.
Okay? It's a little bit, I don't know how this is going to work. We're going to try it. 3 minutes, okay. So we're going to set this right here. Now, Miss Madonna, I want you to look at the camera, and I want you to see the red line is on our would be the TV's left and our right. Okay, so watch what happens. Watch what happens when I add water.
Okay.
To that. Let me see if we get it straight in there. My magical jar. I'm going to pour some water in. Tell me if you see anything.
I don't see anything. Oh my gosh. What do you do? That's magic.
What happened, Miss Madonna?
Oh
Tell everybody at home what happened.
It's like they're bigger.
They're bigger and they switched sides.
What the what?
Yeah, see? And I was hoping that would work. So the blue line went to the other side, the red line went to the other side. That's called refraction. A little trick with the water, okay? So our eyes are playing tricks on us, but really what happened is if I move this away, look, the red line's back on its own side, okay?
So that's not an optical illusion.
No.
What now?
No.
Oh my God.
Called refraction of light. So I mean that's really cool. It's really neat things that we can do with water. Okay.
Indeed it is.
All right, so let's try another trick. Okay. And I
Okay.
know intern Doug talked about the surface tension, right? And he threw some pepper on the surface of water.
And made it float away.
Right. Yeah. So because it floated away, that pepper was sitting on the surface area. That surface area is connected by molecules. Those molecules are held together by one another, right? They hold on to each other. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, all right, I'm going to give you this mason jar. Is there anything in that mason jar?
There's nothing.
Nothing, okay. Can you get this to stick to that mason jar? If we turned it upside down, can you get it to stick? Doesn't work, does it? Okay, good.
Not doing it, sir.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take and we're going to fill up your mason jar with water.
Okay.
All right, so check this out.
I'm filling up the mason jar.
Now, Miss Madonna, we can go the safe way. I can put this bin.
Okay.
Right? We can put this bin, and we're going to turn this upside down. First thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to put the card on it. All right. Now.
Okay.
Now I'm going to let go of this.
Okay.
Should I move that bin away?
Yeah, I'm stepping back right now.
Why?
Because the water is going to come out, Mr. Ralph. Mr.
Now,
Ralph.
Miss Madonna, we're going to do this. Look at that. Oh goodness, we're going to make a mess. Miss Madonna,
Ralph.
pull that card away. Slide it to the right or to the left, very gently.
No.
Yeah, please do it.
Okay.
Look, nothing came out. It's still in there though.
Wow, that's positive.
Yeah, because of the surface tension that's built up on that top of that mason jar. Now watch, I'm going to poke a hole in there.
And there it comes out?
Yeah, and there it comes out.
Well, I get to keep this shirt.
Look, Miss Madonna.
Wow. Mr. Ralph, you're magical in your
We
own
made a little mess.
But that's all right.
Absolutely, and that's the fun thing about doing this stuff at OWOW is sometimes it all just kind of gets messy. But we learn something, right?
Well, thank you, Mr. Ralph. You know I appreciate and enjoy you, especially when I get to keep a shirt after water's on it. See you next Sunday for more exciting things on the OWOW Moment and WFMJ Community Connection. See you then.
Let's try it again. You ready?